Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your system and placing the cursor where the emoji belongs. This matters because the keyboard method differs by OS. On Windows, press Windows+. To open the picker, on Mac OS, press Control plus Command plus Space. On many Linux desktops, use Control plus Shift plus U, then type a Unicode hex. Once the picker appears, you'll see categories and search. Make sure to use the search field or arrow keys to jump quickly to the emoji you want. Now you refine selection. Type a descriptive word like smile or heart to filter results. This saves time versus scrolling. Use arrow keys to move through suggestions for precise control, or click if you prefer. Once highlighted, press Enter or click to insert. This ensures the emoji becomes text in your document or message rather than an image. After insertion, you can add modifiers like skin tone or gender when available, so make sure to check those quick options before closing the picker. To finish, confirm the emoji displays correctly in the app. Some older programs show an empty box if unsupported. If it doesn't render, update your operating system or font pack because emoji support relies on updated Unicode fonts. As a fallback on Linux or advanced cases, use Unicode hex input. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus U, type the code point, then enter. If the picker won't open, restart the app or check keyboard shortcuts in system settings. This often resolves shortcut conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.